So what is matter? Well, to begin with, matter is everything around you. Atoms and molecules are all composed of matter. Your clothes are matter. The stars are matter. Your laptop is matter. Everything that has mass and takes up space is matter. Matter can be found all over the universe and exists in several states. The most common states are solid, liquid, and gas, and we'll touch on that later.
In solids, particles vibrate, but they're held in a fixed position. Forces which hold these particles together can be ionic bonding, metallic bonding, covalent bonding, hydrogen bonding, van der Waals forces, or permanent dipole-dipole forces. As the temperature of a solid increases, the particles vibrate with more and more energy. At a certain temperature, the melting point of the solid, the particles have gained sufficient energy to be able to overcome the attractive forces that hold them together. The energy needed to change a solid to a liquid at its melting point is called the enthalpy of fusion. In liquids, particles are able to move position as well as vibrate, but they're still held by the similar forces as solids. At any time, the arrangement of particles within a liquid resembles that of a disordered solid. As the temperature of the liquid increases, the particles within the substance move around more and more energetically. At a certain temperature, the boiling point of the liquid, the particles have sufficient energy to completely overcome the attractive forces that hold them together. The energy needed to change a liquid to a vapor at its boiling point is called the enthalpy of vaporization. For a given mass of a substance, it takes more energy to change that substance from a liquid to a gas than from a solid to a liquid.
But what about gases? Are gases matter? Well, even though we're surrounded by them at all times, it's still hard for us to interact with them because they're so diffused. In gases, the particles are completely separated and move with rapid random motion. The degree to which gases can be compressed is due to the large distances between each particle. However, if we use containers that hold gases, we can see more easily that they do take up space and they do have mass. Therefore, gases are matter. Well, is there even anything that isn't matter? Well, a good example of this is energy. Energy isn't matter because it isn't stuff. It doesn't have any mass, we can't really weigh it, and therefore, it classifies as not matter.